everybody, this is Energetic Waistbeads and welcome back to my channel. This is another Create With Me video. Today we're making Blue Aura and this is her. Yes, so sparkly and gorgeous. Sit back and relax and watch me create. Stay tuned to the end so you could see the final design.
But I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Alright, and this is the crystal waist bead, Blue Aura. She has a whole bunch of crystals on there. She has kyanite, apatite, chrysocolla. She has hematite, some Swarovski beads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Wanna change your scene.